Welcome to Nature's Nursery. We are a wildlife rescue center located in White House, Ohio, soon moving to Waterville. Each year, we rescue almost 4,000 wild animals. We take everything from turtles and bats to owls and eagles. Some of the animals come in because they are injured or sick. Some of them come in because they are babies that have been orphaned. All of the animals we take in are very important to the environment and help balance out our ecosystem. Nature's Nursery is a nonprofit organization, which means we rely completely on donations to help pay for the services we provide. So what does the fox say? He says thank you for helping Nature's Nursery.